Hi, it's Kathy the Crafty Chica, and let's make a love shrine from a chocolate box. Now you can use a 10-inch chocolate box like I did for this project, or you could go to the dollar store or anywhere really and get some of the smaller versions. I like to get the ones that have a cardboard bottom and top. That way you can make two love shrines. So the first thing I did for this project was I cut out a piece of scrapbook paper that will fit inside of the heart. And then I wanted to decorate the inside ridge of the heart and make it super sparkly. So I used Mod Podge and chunky gold glitter. If you don't want to use loose glitter, you can mix the glitter into the Mod Podge and then paint it on, and it will still look nice and sparkly. Go through, touch up any little areas that need it, put the glitter back in the jar, and now we're going to affix that scrapbook paper to the center inside. And by the way, this is my Crafty Chica scrapbook paper. If you like this, check out my website. I have it over there for sale. Now, I used hot glue. You could use a tape runner, whatever you want, to glue this piece inside of the bottom of the heart box. I'm using the bottom of the box. I'm going to save the top part for another project later. Anyway, go ahead, press that in there. And now I want to make it look nice where the glitter meets the paper. So I bought a strand of Mardi Gras beads. You can find these at the dollar store. And use your hot glue and just line the whole thing with the beads. You can adapt this whatever way you want. To me, more is better. I like having fun things to look at in my projects. That's why I do a lot of layers. So this is the piece for the center. It is from a Mexican romantic comic book, a novella, and I cut it out and I glued it to some glittered cardstock, and now I'm going to glue that to some striped paper that I designed. And this is where you can really make it pop. Cut off a strand of party streamer, which you can also get at the dollar store, and run a line of hot glue around the back of your image and just kind of create a little ruffle around the outside. And this will give a nice little dimensional frame to your image. And I'm using these dimensional foam dots, and I doubled them up. I did a total of 8 of these to give it a little bigger of a lift, and washi tape around the outside of the box. And you know, I forgot to mention, you want to use hot glue in the joints of the box so it'll be nice and sturdy. And then I used Rick Rack for the hanger on the back. And now the top of the box, I added ruffles just like I did around the centerpiece picture. I added Mardi Gras beads around the outside, and I added a coat of paint with some dots, and this is the finished look. I added some silk roses, and it makes for a nice Valentine's decoration. So I also made a smaller version. As I was putting them away in the studio, I set them on top of each other. Look at how cute. You can stack them. Thank you so much for checking out my project, and for more crafty ideas, visit craftychica.com, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks guys, have a great day.